So now that you've got Greater Commons up and running locally as a developer on your developer machine, we want to show you next, like before we get into anything else, we want to just show you like what to work on. And so this is really your choice. And it's like, what do you want to contribute? Maybe you're great at front end and you think some front end needs to be redesigned, or maybe you're great at back end and you want to re-architect something. Some of that stuff would be good to first check in with the team and say, hey, I'm thinking this, I'm thinking that. What do you guys think? I'd like to run it this way, or I think if we make this modification, that would be really fantastic. And so on some of those things, you'll want to check in first, but you can bring your own ideas to the table. Maybe you want to add a new piece of functionality. Maybe you're like, here's one feature that I totally want to build in. Like in-person classrooms, like the teacher teaches. And then afterwards, the students teach each other, because students are like, I have no idea what the professor is talking about. And then another student will be like, well, it's like this. And then you're like, well, why didn't the professor explain like that? So I think it'd be really awesome if every instructional video had an opportunity for students to contribute their own videos explaining it. So if they wanted to explain it in their own way, they could. And then, if there's a lot of videos, they'd be ranked on which ones were the highest rated from the students. So you could see the instructor's explanation, but then you could have student explanations. It's just an idea. I haven't completely formulated it, not sure if it'd actually be awesome in practice, but you might have your own ideas of something you want to build into the platform. Again, that's totally, go for it, but check in first, like send an email, I'm thinking of building this, what do you all think? And then between all of us, we might, be like, that's fantastic, run with it. Or how about if we do it like these things and come up with an even better solution? Many minds, M-A-N-Y, often come up with better solutions. So it's whatever you want to contribute on, however you want to change something or add something, or if you want to just look at issues or things we're already working on. We have a list of different things that currently need to be done. You could also work on that. So Daniel's going to show that.